Is your iPhone stuck on "Please wait while installing Roblox"? It keeps loading but never finishes. This is typically caused by a network timeouts, an app store glitch, or low storage. In this video, I'll walk you through fixing the "Please wait while installing Roblox" issue on your iPhone. Let's get Roblox installed now. Before doing anything else, turn off the Do Not Disturb mode and Low Power mode. Then make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Force close and restart the App Store. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Find the App Store. Now swipe it up and off the screen to close it. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete app. Finally, tap the Delete app again. Solution 3. Check your software update. Open Settings. Tap General. Then tap Software Update. If you see Software Update is available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset network settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. And that's a wrap. Hopefully, your "Please wait while installing Roblox" error is all fixed now. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.